I do not have any idea how many times I reported this ad to Google for this product, the QuadAir drone, which it's a scam product. So the website claims it's the first high-end drone at an affordable price. Now, I do not believe that, though. But the reviews, the stars, each individual star is just an image. And I mean it. I'm actually serious about that. That is one of the review stars. That image. And the QuadAir page, checkout page. If it'll load, it looks like the checkout page of other scam products, like the multi-volts, or the Blau portable AC, or the Bolts Pro. Scroll here to the reviews here. The stars don't appear to be images, like on the main page. So, yeah, I'm not even ordering one of these. I mean, the QuadAir, it's a scam product, at least based on other people's, what they've said, like what I've seen on YouTube about it. And, I mean, look, this is a fake scarcity timer, like the Bolts Pro and Multivolts have on their checkout pages. So, and it says attention, you're 50. Well, another pop-up. Activate 15% off coupon. Here's our best and final offer. But up here it says, attention, your 56% off discount has been applied. It's probably a fake discount. And by default, the 2-pack is selected. It says there's fast shipping on the one and free shipping on the other two. And I also haven't seen a button to write a review. But QuadAir, it's a scam product. So it is not the first high-end drone at an affordable price. Not at all. And what is happening to QuadAir? Well, I can get it on the desktop, the logo off the QuadAir website. This is about to happen to QuadAir. So QuadAir, your drone is a scam, and people do not buy it because it's a piece of junk. And because QuadAir drone is a scam, the logo has been erased from this copy of the image from the website. So back to the website. Features. These features, I have no idea if it has it. I haven't even ordered one, and I'm not ordering one. It's really easy to get started. Well, I saw in a YouTube video that it is very hard to get started. The QuadAir drone probably doesn't feature high-end technology that you would normally not see on professional drones, but I mean, you probably would see it on professional drones. But it might not have. Can even do loops and spins. Other drones probably do that too. Thanks to our new smart charge technology. No. In the backstory, I'm gonna pull it up on YouTube. The ad, which I screen recorded the video ad on one of the on an iPad. But now, and put it on YouTube, and then bring up the video ad. Or at least most of it. And I'm also putting this on full screen.
Drone at an incredibly low price, and he just destroyed the billion-dollar drone industry in the process. With a unique premium drone that's already available for under $100, and at this rate, this tiny American company will be the biggest drone brand by 2024. Thomas Rowell used to work for a well-known drone company, and was head of the research and development department where they designed premium drones with cutting-edge technology. But after the company got merged, a new board of directors took over, and everything changed. Huge budget cuts left the company unable to pay for the development of new drones. They wanted to outsource everything to China. After Thomas's plea for more resources fell on deaf ears, he decided to take matters into his own hands. Blessed with a gift for engineering and years of experience in the drone industry, Thomas built a high-tech drone with a HD camera for only a fraction of the price, and brought the drone with him on his next nature trip. He sent it into the air and couldn't believe his eyes when he saw the footage. In a matter of seconds, it was flying smoothly, and he could take ultra-sharp HD images. Thomas wanted to help people across America to get the same flying experience at an affordable price. So he approached investors to raise funding for his drone project. He was given $3 million to bring his new product to market. He called it QuadAir, a revolutionary compact camera drone. It uses the newest camera technology and gimbal stabilizer for ultra-smooth shots. Thanks to his patented technology and easy-to-use controller, the drone can be flown by anyone without crashing. This means you'll be able to fly and make videos instantly out of the box. All in high definition, with the highest precision, and without shaky images. You don't need any technical knowledge or flight experience to use it. Just unbox, turn it on, and fly. It's that easy. And guess what? It's 6 times cheaper than the average premium camera drone. QuadAir will stabilize your flight automatically, so you'll get smoother hovering to keep the camera steady. It uses some clever programming tricks that anticipate your flight behavior and make the drone easy to steer. So it's easy to take off, land, and do tricks. And in case of a crash, this drone won't break easily. It is built with durable materials and can withstand impacts from great heights. This quick demonstration flight shows the abilities of the QuadAir. QuadAir works right out of the box. No complicated setup or manual. It's instantly flyable, no matter your experience level. And thanks to its high-definition camera, the footage is crystal clear. Way more steady than other drones in the same price range. With QuadAir, you can easily capture events in a unique way and make spectacular videos with friends and family during your travels, vlogs, and special events.
You
Thomas
didn't
created
say that
the Quad.
word properly, person in the video ad. It's you said vlogs. That's not how you say it. It's pronounced vlogs.
So that people can finally enjoy all the fun aspects of flying a drone without having to worry about the steep learning curve or technical aspects. QuadAir sold out in 15 minutes.
It probably did not sell out in 15 minutes when he launched it online.
The factory just made more, and we managed to get our hands on one. It arrived within 3 days of ordering, and when I flew it right
It probably does not arrive within 3 days of ordering. That's probably a fake claim.
out of the box, I was blown away. Within a minute, I was up in the air, flying and recording beautiful shots of my surroundings. People all around the world are choosing the more affordable QuadAir over expensive brands, and are
People around the world probably are not choosing the QuadAir because it's a scam.
saving a lot of money while the QuadAir has the exact same high-end features. Would you like one of these affordable premium drones?
No, I would not. It's a scam.
If you're going to buy one, there's good news and bad news. The good news, Thomas is giving it away at a huge discount to get the word out
A huge fake discount.
quickly. The bad news, he didn't
The bad news, it's a scam.
expect so many people to buy it. There are only a few left, and
They're not going fast, probably, because it's a scam.
going fast. Click on the link in this video to buy QuadAir before this promotion is over.
I'm not buying QuadAir because it's a scam. A scam. So, those claims in that video, the claim of it being able to fly instantly out of the box, nope. Found out on a YouTube video that it's hard to set up. It is hard to set up. And there's another YouTube video that shows that it's junk and broke in one day. It's one that someone else posted. I mean, both of those were posted by someone else. And, yeah, it's junk. It's a scam. Do not buy QuadAir. There. That's why. It's a scam, so do not buy it.